ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So we'll do from here. Last class I marked it, I think. Reading translation of Shatranta, the words, the sentences which contain Shatranta forms. Bhaktaha devam pashyan pradakshin karoti. I ask you answer. Kaha pashyati?
भक्तः
भक्तः
Kam pashyati?
देवं
देवं
Kam pashyati? Okay, sorry, I should ask otherwise. Bhaktaha kim karoti?
प्रदक्षिणं करोति
Bhaktaha pradakshinam karoti. कीदृशः भक्तः?
देवं पश्यन्
देवं पश्यन्
देवं पश्यन् भक्तः. Yes, devam pashyan bhaktah.
पश्यन् भक्तः
So devam is the karma for pashyati. Bhaktah devam pashyati. Ataha devam pashyan bhaktah devam pradakshinam अथवा प्रदक्षिणं करोति. Similarly, येषः सुरां पिबन् लोकम् एव स्मरति. Vismarati, sorry. Smarati means suram piban smarati will be आश्चर्यः. Smarati, vismarati. कः विस्मरति?
एषः
एषः
एषः एषः कं विस्मरति?
लोकं विस्मरति
लोकं कीदृशः?
सुरां
एषः
पिबन्
सुरां पिबन्
सुरां पिबन्. सुरां पिबन् means सः एषः सुरां पिबति. सुरां पीत्वा लोकं विस्मरति. While drinking alcohol, this person forgets the world, right? सुरां पिबन्. यः धावन् आगच्छति सः गोपालः. सः गोपालः. यः सः यः धावन् आगच्छति. The one who is
coming running
yes. यः धावन् jumping and coming. Yes. Coming running coming by comes by running. Sah Gopalaha. The same thing if it is in the word in English, then how do you do? You have to think. I don't know whether you would be able to say it using Chaturanta. The one who comes by running
comes
is
running is Gopala.
is Gopal. Batuhu shlokam smaran uchcharanam karoti. Kaha karoti?
Vatu
Kim karoti? Kim karoti?
उच्चारणं करोति
उच्चारणं करोति
कीदृशः वटुः?
श्लोकं स्मरति
श्लोकं स्मरन् वटुः
Simple. Shatranta form is there. Ask questions like that, you get the answer. Kidrishaha means that will be qualifying. Shlokam smaran. Other karaka may be there for smarati. Here, that's only karma karaka. Shlokam smaran. What to do? Ucharanam karoti. Right? Okay, let us go back. We will do, of course, from. I will write here. It's okay. Karyam kurvan pita putram apashyata. Right? Now, let us do karmani also. Huh? You know karmani? Karmani not for the shatranta. Please note, I am just doing karmani only for the lakara. Not for the. But kridanta also naturally will happen. Why? We'll see now. Now, convert this into Sanskrita sentence. From English Sanskritam we have done. Now, Sanskritam to English. Sorry, Sanskritam to Sanskritam. Let us do karmani kriya. Please do it. Pashyat, we have to change the kriya padam. Pashyat, apashyat, prathama purusha, ekavacham, referring to, therefore, the person. The person is not you, not
Pita.
me, someone else, pita, third person, right? Prathama purusha. Convert. Apashyat will become in karmani. Let us do lat lakara and then we can convert lam. Anyway, we can do.
दृश्य
It is karmani.
Adrishyata.
Lat karmani will be drishyate. Or
दृश्यते
lam karmani will be adrishyata.
अदृश्यते
Right?
अदृश्यता
Adrishyata. Now, how do you ask question to get the answer? Pita. I mean, yeah. I mean, the father.
केन
केन
केन?
अदृश्यत
केन
Kena adrishyata.
पित्रा
पित्रेण
Pitra. Not
पित्र
pitre.
सारी
There is no pitre.
सारी
Huh?
पित्र सारी गुरुजी
Pitra adrishyata. Kena adrishyata. Kaha adrishyata.
पुत्रः अदृश्यत
Putra is the karma. In
Putraha.
karmani, that will be pratama. So, putraha pitra adrishyata. Now, कीदृशा कीदृशेन पित्रा पुत्रः अदृश्यत.
कार्यं कुर्वता पित्रा
Very good. Yes. See, karyam, that will not change. That is karyam only. Karyam
कुर्वता
kurvan kurvanto kurvantah. Kurvan is visheshana to pita. Pita become pitra. Kurvan will become kurvata. Tritiya ekavachanam. You can see karyam kurvata pitra putraha adrishyata drishyate or apashyatu, whatever it is, right? Understand? Any lakara you can use. Adrishyata karma, sorry, here karmani we are using Samitam. Any lakara, I'm just saying same lakara, lang karmani. Understand? Okay, same will be in ling lakara would be. Ling lakara, ling karmani.
दृश्येत दृश्येता
Drishyeta, dhatu is ling lakara,
Drish dhatu.
drishyeta. Think an answer, huh?
यस गुरुजी कर्मणि
Karmani, yes.
पश्यताम्
Pashyetam or drisyetam? Tell me.
दृश्येत कर्मणि it is the original dhatu that comes into
Exactly. That's correct.
दृश्येता
So, see, dhatu is drish dhatu. Drish dhatu in latlakara it is pashyati,
Pashya.
pashyataha, pashyanti, right?
Mm.
In karmani it
Parasmeta
is drishyate, drishyate, drishyante.
Mm.
Now, in the same thing, as it is drishyate, then in karmani also drish only. Why doubt that pash? That cannot be pashyata. Pashyata in kartari. Now we are doing karmani. Karmani, that took karmani, what lakara? I asked what lakara? Ling lakara. Ling lakara. Karmani ling. Okay. It is something, I don't know whether we did like that before. Did we do before like that? No. I think we have not done like that. Okay. First time we are doing it.
We have done all lakaras for karmani.
Karmani also we have done. Okay. Then drish, yes. Okay. I don't remember. So then it will be.
Yeah, we did all four lakaras
We have
and
done
then
all four.
Oh, okay. Karmani also we have done. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Yeah. Then drish Ling lakara will be drish plus
Shita.
Yak plus
yak plus eta. Eta
Eta.
drishyeta. So drishyeta it would be. Okay. Drishyeta. Karyam kurvata pitra putraha drishyeta.
Drishyeta.
I'm just saying, something came on ling lakara, that's why I said drishyeta. I mean, ling lakara I said. Karmani vidiling. Okay. Anyway, we'll do the same lakara. I think this is a good exercise. We can do Anton. I think we have not done. We'll do later. So this is something extra. Okay. We can converting this into Karmani where we can see the Shatranta also taking the form as that of the Karta, whatever it denotes, right?
Mm.
Next one. Geetam Shunvan Arvindaha. Chitram Likati. Okay. Now,
Arvindena
Likhyate.
Latlakara is there, therefore Likati, therefore Likyate. Kena, sorry, okay. Kim Likyate,
Geetam. Chitram. Chitram.
Chitram Likyate.
Chitram.
Kena,
Arvindena.
Arvindena, Chitram Likyate.
Arvindena.
Now, Kidrishena Arvindena.
Shunvata. Geetam
Ah.
Shunvata.
Geetam
Therefore,
Shunvata.
Shunvata,
Shunvata.
Shunvata, Geetam will it become Geetena, something like that? No.
No,
Remain
Geetam
as it
only.
is. That will remain.
Shunvata.
That doesn't change. Geetam Shunvata Arvindena, Chitram Likyate. Okay. So what will be the lung karmani?
Alikhyata.
Yes. Alikyata. Geetam Shunvata Arvindena, Chitram
Alikhyata.
Alikyata. While buying sandals, Rakesh takes money from the money pad. Padatranam krinan Rakeshaha Dhanasyuta Dhanam Svikaroti. Svikaroti. Karoti only important. Don't worry about Svikaroti. Do Karoti get. Svikaroti, what lakara?
Latlakara.
Lat lakara. Therefore, Svi, what is karmani form? Krudatu. Kriyate, kriyate, kriyante.
Kriyate.
Therefore, Svikriyate.
Svikriyate.
Kena.
Rakeshen.
Or okay.
Rakeshena.
Kim Svikriyate.
Dhanam.
Dhanam svikriyate.
Dhanam Kena.
Rakeshen.
Rakeshena.
Rakeshena. Kidrishaha. Kidrishena Rakeshena.
Rinata.
Padatranam.
Padatranam.
Krinata.
Krinata.
Padatranam Krita Rakeshena. Dhanasyutat will be Dhanasyutat only.
Dhatam Sita.
So Padatranam Krinata Rakeshena. Dhanasyutat Dhanam Svikriyate.
Kriyate.
Similarly, Drudan Shishuhu Pitamahim Akhvayati Latlakara. Akhvayati
Ahut.
Ahu. We have seen
Ahuyate.
Karmani. Very good.
Yeah, ahuyate.
Kaha Ahuyate. Ka Ahuyate. Sorry.
Pitamahim.
Pitamagi. Srilingi.
Pitamahi. Yeah.
Right? Grandmother. Kena.
Shishravena.
Shishuna.
Not Shishana. Shishana Chaturthi. Why say Chaturthi?
Okay. Shishuna.
Shishuna. Guruna.
Shishuna.
Rudata.
Kidrishena. Shishuna.
Rudata Shishuna.
Yes. Rudata Shishuna. Pitamagi. Ahuyate. Pitamagi is called by the crying child. Right? The old man can take solid food now. Right? So, Vruddhaha idanim ghanaharam svikartum shaknuman asti. Svikartum shaknoti. Shaknuman asti is shaknuman asti shaknoti. But it's okay. We are using Shatranta. Now, you can convert. Asti become
Bhuyate.
Bhuyate. Kim Vruddhaha idanim ghanaha. What Bhuyate?
Ganaharam svikritam.
Ganaharam is the Buddha. No. Ganaharam is not. Ganaharam svikartum shaktuna asti. Ganaharam is a karma for svikartum.
Svikartam.
Therefore, you cannot change that. So, bhuyate. केन भूयते?
वृद्धेन पूयते
वृद्धेन भूयते। कीदृशेन वृद्धेन? Just cut this. Put it before. कीदृशेन वृद्धेन?
घनाहारं
शक्नुवता
स्वीकर्ता
शक्नुवने शत्रन्त
शक्नुवता
शक्नुवता वृद्धेन इदानीं भूयते.
पूयते
What घनाहारं
हरं
स्वीकर्तुं, that will
स्वीकर्तुं
remain as it
शक्नुवते.
is. स्वीकर्तुं is
Mhm.
अव्ययम्. Karma for that स्वीकर्तुं is घनाहारं. Ghana, because here also kriya is involved, swikarana kriya. Even though it is abhiya, but this is a karma for the kru dhatu here, swikarana, accepting. Ganaharam swikartum shaknuvata vruddhena idanim bhuyate.
भूयते
Understand? Then etat karyam iti jananapi.
अकार्यं
Sorry, etat akaryam api iti jananapi saha utkocha swikaroti
तेन उत्कोचं क्रियते
swikriyate.
स्वीक्रियते
Utkochaha
उत्कोचः तेन
तेन उत्कोचः स्वीक्रियते. एतत् कार्यं जानन्नपि
जानता
एतत् कार्यं the janan is qualifying सः, therefore
सः.
जानता. Here it will not change, it is within okay. एतत् कार्यं एतत् akaryam that is within iti, therefore that will not change. एतत् akaryam iti जानता अपि तेन उत्कोचः स्वीक्रियते. So in spoken Sanskritam it is told, so it's fall. Okay, Chatraha, this we can do. Chatraha
क्रियते
Patan Nidram Karoti. Okay, I write here the form. Nidram Karoti becomes Kriyate.
क्रियते
Ka Kriyate.
निद्रा
Kriyate.
निद्रा निद्रा
Nidra is Akaranta Srilinga. Here it is a karma. Kena.
छात्रेण
छात्रेण
Chatreణ. कीदृशेन छात्रेण?
छात्रेण
पठना
पठता
पठता सारी
पठता
पठता छात्रेण निद्रा
निद्रा क्रियते
क्रियते. Lotlakara would be
क्रियताम्
Kriyatam. Simple. Balaha Kridan Modate. Simple all this from here. Dhatu is Mudadatu.
मुदुदातु
Therefore Mudyate.
बुध्यते बालेन बुध्यते क्रीडता
Yes.
बालेन बुध्यते
बालेन
Yes.
क्रीडतां बुध्यते
So Kridata
बालेन
Balena
बालेन
Mudyate. Simple. Saha Naman Pratayati.
नमता
नमता तेन प्रार्थ्यते
प्रार्थयते
प्रार्थ्यते
प्रार्थ्यते
मथयते
Namata Tena Pratayati is what is the form? Prartyate.
प्रार्थ्यते
य
Prartyate. Okay. Not Prartayate. Prartyate.
प्रार्थ्यते
Ashokah Gachan Ashokah Denum Pashyati.
दृश्यते
Yes, very good. Drishyate.
दृश्यते
अशोकेन
Ka Drishyate.
धेनुं
धेनु धेनु
धेनुं
Denuhu Drishyate. Kena.
धेनुः
गच्छता
अशोके
अशोकेन
Gachata Ashokena Denuhu Drishyatu. Now
दृश्यते
here, coming back here. Bhaktaha Devam Pashyan Pradakshinam Karoti.
क्रियते
Kriyate.
भक्तेन
तेन
देवं पश्यता भक्तेन प्रदक्षिणं क्रियते
Yes. So Bhaktena Pradakshinam. Pradakshinam is Pradakshinam only. Okay. That is Pratama Bhakti. Pradakshinam Kriyate. So Devam, that will be Devam. Devam Pashyata Bhaktena. Pradakshinam Kriyate. Pradakshinam is what Vibhakti here?
प्रथम
Pratama, Karmani. Therefore Pratama Bhakti. Pradakshinam is Napumsakalinga, therefore Pradakshinam only. Okay. Sura, Yeshaha Suram Piban, Lokam Vismarati. So that would be
स्मर्यते
Yes.
विस्मर्यते
Yes, we know this also in the Karmani we have seen, right?
Yeah.
The Purvaka Smru Dhatu becomes Smaryate. Replaced by Smru. Smru generally will be re, and here it is something special rule was there we saw, right? Smru becomes
Yeah.
Yata Kru. Kru is Kriyate. Here it is Kriyate. No.
Smaryate.
Smaryate.
Yes, Smaryate it is. Conjunct, right? Rikara when it is preceded by Rikara the Dhatu preceded by a conjunct, then Ru will be replaced by
Ar.
replaced by
Ar.
Ar. Therefore, Smaryate. Okay, Smar plus Yak plus 2.
Mm.
Now, Smaryate, what is Smaryate? Object. Kaha Smaryate?
Lokam.
Lokaha.
Lokaha.
Kena?
Tena.
Yeshena.
Tena.
Suram pibata tena.
Suram pibatam etena. Suram pibata etena. Lokaha eva
Kaha
vismaryate.
eva vismaryate.
Then next one. Yaha davanagachati saha gopalaha asti.
Sma.
This also we can
Asti,
convert.
sorry.
Here saha gopalaha asti is that. Okay.
Mm.
Otherwise also it's okay. Asti. Now convert. Gopala saha gopala asti one sentence. Yaha davanagachati is another sentence. So let us do gopalaha.
Gopalam punyate.
Saha, or we can convert like this. Agachati. Okay. Saha gopala asti will be there. Here only Shatranta is we convert. The agachati will become
Dhavat.
Samyate.
agamyate. Agamyate.
Agamyate.
Kena.
Dhavata.
No. Davata.
No,
Fine.
no, sorry.
Yeah, that's correct only. Davata. But
Yeah.
Yaha
Yena.
will become
Yena.
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 Davata Yena
Yena.
agamyate. Saha gopalaha asti. You can convert this into Kartari and then they say this is Karmani. Or Tena gopalena bhuyati adusu. But okay. Davata Yena agamyate. Tena gopalena bhuyati. But we don't say that in Sanskritam because the listener will not be able to understand anything if we talk like this. Therefore, I don't say. But here it is okay. Yena Davata agamyate. Saha gopalaha asti. Okay. What to shlokam smaran? Ucharanam karoti.
Kriyate.
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 Kim kriyate?
Ucharanam.
Ucharanam is karma.
Napunsakalam.
Correct.
Yes, no problem. Yes. Kena.
Batuna.
Vatuna. Vatu is like
Vatuna.
Ukaranta Shabda. Guru Shabda. Guru Shabda. Vatuna. Kidrishena Vatuna.
Shlokam smarata.
Smarata. Slokam Smarata Vatuna.
Ucharanam
Ucharanam
kriyate.
kriyate. Up to this we have already done. Now we are very good. Rajakaha Vastram Kshalayan Tishtati. What is the translation?
The washerman stands washing clothes. He is
Yes.
washing clothes.
It is washing clothes. That's what it means. Tishtati means not literally standing. Something
He's
is doing.
washing clothes.
Tishtati. So it shows his status of being the condition of doing something. Like Shalayam Tishtati. Now Karmani would be, if we take just literally make it, Tishtati will become
Striyate.
Stiyate. Yes.
Striyate.
Rajakena
Striyate.
striyate.
Yes.
Vastram
Vastram.
Shalayata.
Very good. Shalayata
Shalayata.
Rajakena.
Kena sthiyate.
Stiyate. Meaning, how do you translate? Standing is better done by the Rajaka who is washing. Washing clothes done by the washing up clothes done by the Rajaka is now standing is done by the washing. Very difficult in Sanskrit in English. Okay, let it be as it is, whatever it is. But the Karmani Praha will be like that. Okay. Then Lekakaha eva ganam shunnoti. Sorry, Lekaka likan eva. So likan shunnoti. What is the meaning? What is the translation? Lekakaha likan eva ganam shunnoti.
Writing.
Chatranta
Only
also.
Author who is writing
while
is
reading,
listening.
he is listening.
Yes, while reading,
Eva
he
means
listens.
While
only
writing, he is listening to song.
Yes, while writing,
Yes,
eva.
yes.
While writing only. While writing only. Okay, eva. Then he doesn't listen to song when he reaches other times. Only when he is writing, he listens to the song. So while writing, now Shunoti becomes
Striyate.
श्रूयते किं श्रूयते
गानं श्रूयते
गानं
गानं श्रूयते केन
लेखकेन
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 लिखता
लिखता
लिखता लेखकेन गानम् एव श्रूयते शिशुः स्खलन् पतति पत् धातु is
पत्यते
akarmaka akarmaka dhatu, right? Yes.
Hmm.
Patyate. Yes. What is kalan?
Slipping.
Dropping, slipping,
Hmm.
stumbling, right? Skalan. So patyate, falling action is done by the kid, by the kid, which is
Shishuna.
Shishuna,
Alat Shishuna.
Skalata,
Salata Shishuna.
Skalata Shishuna, Patyate. Falling is done by the stumbling child.
child
Gayako, Gayanto Janan Harshayataha to Dvivachanam. What is the translation?
Two singers make people happy. While singing.
Yes, while singing. Gayanto, singing, otherwise singing singers pleases the people. The singing singers pleases the people. While singing, what it is, the singers sing and they please the people. So now,
harshete
dhatu is not harsh, dhatu is rush dhatu.
Rishyate.
rushyate
Rishyate, rishyante. Why rishyante?
Rishyante.
Because
rushyan janaha yeah
janaha rishyante. Janas are pleased. By whom?
gayaka
What is that? Tell me.
Gayakabhyam.
Exactly. Dvivachanam. Gayakabhyam. What is Gayanta? Here Gayanta will become Gayata.
Gayatabhyam.
Gayatabhyam. Gayatabhyam. Gayakabhyam. Janaha rishyante. Right? Understand? This is a good one. You can see. Gayako, Gayanto. Gayanto. Pratama Dvivachanam. Yeah, Tritiya. No more, I mean, after Tritiya Bhagavachanam onwards, Num will not be there. So Gayata, Gayatabhyam, Gayadbhyaha, right? Gayadbhyaha, Mardbhyaha, Gayadbhyaha. So Gayata, Gayakabhyam, Janaha Rishyante. Rishyante, Janaha Bhagavachanam. Kapayaha. Khadantaha Kapayaha Utpatanti. They jump. Utpatanti will become
Utpatyate.
Utpatyate or Patyante. What is that?
Patyate.
patyante and kapayaha is only singular
Kapayaha is not singular. Kapi, Kapayaha,
But there is no karma.
Exactly. Patadhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, what prayoga is this?
bhave
Bhave prayoga. Therefore, utpatyate. You cannot ask, what is the karma? The karma cannot be there. Only karta will be there and can be there, and karta will be in tritiya. Now, what is tritiya?
kapayen
Kapibihi.
Kapibhi.
And
kapibihi
kadantaha will become what?
Kadantaha.
Not kadantaha. Kapibihi tritiya.
Kadadbhihi.
Kadadbihi. Kadadbihi, kapibihi. Utpatyate.
utpatyate
Durjanaha Nindantaha Triptim Prapnuvanti. So when we have to read other way, Nindantaha Durjanaha Triptim Prapnuvanti. Then we know where, because Visheshana, we are putting it before Visheshya, so that understanding happens correctly. Now Prapnuvanti will become Prapyate. And Tripti will become Triptihi. Triptihi Prapyate. Kena Taihi
Durjanaihi.
Durjanaihi. And Nindantaha will become
Nindataihi. Durjanaihi.
not Nindataihi.
Nindadbihi
Nindadbihi.
Nindatbihi.
निन्दद्भिः दुर्जनैः तृप्तिः प्राप्यते,
प्राप्यते।
right? सर्वे मिलन्तः सम्भाषणारम्भं सम्भाषणस्य आरम्भं काम्पौण्ड्, okay? सम्भाषणारम्भं कुर्वन्ति, that is a karma here. सर्वे मिलन्तः, all joining together, मिलन्तः. Now where it will become कुर्वन्ति,
क्रियते।
क्रियते. What क्रियते? संस्कृत, sorry, सम्भाषणारम्भं क्रियते. सम्भाषणारम्भं is
beginning.
सम्भाषणारम्भः, okay, not रम्भं, समिता. आरम्भः, this is अकारन्त शब्द पुल्लिङ्ग. सम्भाषणारम्भः क्रियते कैः?
सर्वैः
सर्वैः।
सर्वैः. मिलन्तः
मिलद्भिः
सर्वैः मिलद्भिः सम्भाषणारम्भः क्रियते. नृपाः न्यायम् अनुसरन्तः प्रजाः रक्षन्ति. What is the
रक्ष्यते।
meaning?
रक्ष्यते
When Nripa, the kings protect the
according to
Praja.
the
citizens, those who follow the law, right?
rightfully.
Right. Anusarantah, nyayam anusarantah. Now, karmani would be
रक्ष्यते।
rakshyante.
Prajaihi.
No, rakshyante. Prajaha are protected, right? Prajaha rakshyante. Citizens are protected by whom?
रूपेण।
नृपैः
Nyayam anusarantah. Sorry.
रूपाः। Okay.
The king who follows the law protect the people. Sorry, I think that's the wrong way. The nyayam anusarantah should go after the
kings
before
protect,
Nripaha.
rightfully
Nyayam.
protect people.
The king who follows the law, who follows the justice, who is lawful, dharmika, nyayam anusarantaha, he walks the path of nyaya, he protects the people. Okay. So now,
न्यायम्
कर्मणि would be
अनुसरन्तम्।
not anusarantam. Prajaha rakshante. Kaihi.
नृपैः
Nrupaihi. And therefore anusarantaha will become
अनुसरद्भिः
anusaradbihi. Nyayam will be nyayam only. Nyayam anusaradbihi nrupaihi prajaha rakshante. Citizens are protected by the kings who follow the law, the justice. Bharavakaha petikam bhakantaha bharavakaha. Okay. Eva paniyam pibanti. So put this petikam bhakantaha before bharavakaha. So pibanti will become
पिब्यते।
no piyate.
पीयते
Not
Sorry,
pipyate.
पीयते।
पीयते
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
piyate? Paniyam.
Paniyam.
Paniyam is paniyam only.
Yeah.
Paniyam pipyate. Kena
भारवाहैः।
bharavagai. Kidrishaha
भारवाहैः।
bharavakaha.
पेटिकां वहद्भिः
Bhagatbihi. Petikam bhagatbihi bharavakaihi eva paniyam
पानीयं पीयते।
piyate. Right? So,
One minute, Guruji. पेटिकाम् or पेटिका वहद्भिः?
Petikam doesn't undergo any change. It will be as it is. It is karma for Vahana Kriya. Will it undergo any change?
Okay.
That is karma for Shatranta. That will not change.
Okay.
Shatranta will change in keeping with the Vishesha. Shatranta is Visheshana. Visheshana will change in keeping with Vishesha. Petikam is a karma for that. Karma karaka. That will not change. Arakshakaha sarvan parishilayantaha agre gachanti. Meaning?
Observing everybody, the
Examining. They
police,
move forward. They agre gachanti,
forward.
they move forward, right? So, gachanti,
गम्यते। गम्यते।
put this sarvan parishilayantaha. So that will go here. So gamyate. Ye karma is there or not? Not there.
No.
Karma is there, but that is for parishilayanta, not for gamyate. Agre gamyate. Kaihi.
आरक्षकैः।
आरक्षकैः।
Idrishaihi arakshakaihi.
परिशीलयन्ता।
Parishilayadbihi
परिशीलयद्भिः।
arakshakaihi. Sarvan is sarvan only. That is karma for
Yeah.
parishilana kriya.
Yeah.
That will not undergo any change.
Okay.
Or if you take, you cannot take Sarvan, you cannot say Sarvan Gachanti, Agri Gachanti. That's not possible. The Sarvan is a karma, can be only karma for Parishilana Kriya. Fine. Margadarshakaha, Itigasam Varnayantaha, Devalayam Darshayanti. What does it mean?
Darshan.
The guides
Yeah,
describe the
Margadarshaka means
and
the
show
tourist
the
guide.
temple.
Tourist guide, what does it do? Itigasam Varnayantaha, they say the history, describing history. Right? Describing history, Margadarshakaha, the tourist guide,
Devalayam Darshayanti.
he shows the temple. Right? So now, Karmani. Darshayanti. Think and answers.
Darshayante.
It is the same, Guruji. It is 10th Gana, that is why
Hmm.
Karmani also will look the same.
Darshaya. Okay. Nijanta Rupam. This is something very interesting.
Darshi.
You know, Dhatu is Drish Dhatu, right? Drish Dhatu become Pashyati, Drishyate, right? Nijanta Rupam would be, you get the form?
Drishi.
Darshi. Darshi, not Drishi. Darshi.
Darshi. Okay.
Okay. Darshi Dhatu. Darshi. Darshi is Darshayati. Darshayati Latlakara. Now, Karmani. Karmani, what will come?
Yep.
Will come. Yep plus te. Can
Darshayate.
you do any karya?
No, it will not.
But what will happen? This Anit Adidatuka Pratyaya follows. Therefore, the E will go. Therefore, you will have Dash.
Dash.
Therefore, the form would be Darshyate.
Darshyate.
Not Darshayate.
Darshati.
Okay. The form would be Darshyate. Interesting, this one. Nijanta Karmani. Nijanta Karmani. Okay. Do we have Nijanta Karmani usage in the language? I mean, yeah, we come across. It is there. Nahi kashcha kshanamapi jadu tishtatya karma krita. Karyate shavashak karma sarva prakriti jair gunaihi. In that shloka, Karyate is, what is Karyate? You just see. Dhatu, right? Karoti kriyate. A simple let kartari karmani. Nijanta Rupam. Kru will become Kari, right? The Vriddhi will happen. Kari. Kari will be Karayati. Karayati is Nijanta Kartari. Causative, active. The causative passive will be Kari plus Yak plus Te.
Karyate. Riya.
When Anidadatuka Pratyaya follows, he will go away. Therefore, you will have Karyate. This is the Gita in the only the shloka you see. Nijanta Karmani after that. Karyate, cause to act upon. Yavashaha, helplessly. Prakriti Jai Gunaihi. Prakritehe Jayate iti Prakriti Jaha. Born, right? Jayate Janma. Tena Gunaihi. Prakriti Jaha Gunaha. Taihi. Avashaha, Hyavashaha, helplessly. Made to act upon. Karyate. Nijanta. Okay.
Excuse me,
So,
Guruji.
Yeah.
After that, Kari plus Yak, what did you describe Yak as?
Then
Something-
followed what type of pratyaya? Last question you have to answer that. What type of pratyaya is this? Tell me the type of the pratyaya.
Ardhadatukam.
Yes.
Ardhadatika kit
Why he
pratyaya.
doesn't get itagama?
Anit, you said.
Oh, is it on it? Nijanta is
No,
on
no,
it.
no, not that. No, all Nijantas are deemed to be set.
Very good. That's a good point. Okay. But why here doesn't itagama doesn't come if the dhatu is set?
That's what I was missing. I was writing, so I missed what you were saying.
What is that? Anybody?
Yep.
So what? Why you know itagama here? Ardhatuka pratyaya should get itagama. It's a rule, right? But you're not telling the rule completely. Completely tell. No. That's nothing to do with apit. Complete the rule. The rule is not complete. Valadi Ardhatuka pratyaya only will get itagama. Is it a val letter?
No.
Val
Oh, okay.
excludes yakara. Therefore, it cannot take itagama. Therefore, it is anit only, right? Pratyaya is anit. No,
Okay.
it doesn't get it means what? Anit. When anit
Okay,
pratyaya
okay.
follows, ni go away, ni goes away. The
Hmm.
logic, okay.
Thanks, Guruji.
So therefore, itigasam varnayantaha margadasha. Okay, not done. Okay, darshyate is a form, right? Then kaha darshyate? What
Devalaya.
is shown?
Devalaya.
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 Kaihi.
Margadarshakaihi.
Margadashakaihi.
Kidrishaihi margadarshakaihi.
Varnayat iti
Varnaya-
margadarshakaihi.
Varnayadbihi
Varnayadbihi.
margadarshakaihi devalayah darshyate. Itigasam varnayadbihi. Right? Itihasa, the story, the history. Then Putram, Grinnan, Ravindraha Yanam Arogat. What is the translation? While
Holding the child, Ravindra ascends the vehicle.
vehicle, climbs up, okay, vehicle. Arohati will become
Aruhyate.
Arugyate. What is karma?
Yanaha.
Yanam, not Yanaha, Yanam only.
Yanam is Yanam. It is
Napumsakalinga.
Napunsakal.
Okay. Kena,
Ravindrena.
Ravindra. Natum will happen or not? Tell me.
Ravindrena.
No, the end nakara never gets an artham. Avasanam.
No. This is not end. I have to type it. Okay. I didn't do it.
Ravindrena.
Nothing will happen or
That's-
not. That's
Yes, it will happen. No, it will not happen.
It will not, Guruji.
will happen or not? Think and tell.
It will not happen, Guruji.
Why it will not happen? Okay.
Avasanam.
Forget about Ravindra.
Padanta.
Forget about Ravindra. Take Indra. What is the Tritiya Bhakti of Indra? It is Indrena.
Indrena.
It is
Nothing
Indrena, or it is sorry, or it is Indrena, which is correct.
Natvam happens. Indrena.
When doesn't when it
Indrena.
happens by Indrena, why not here? Ravi plus Indra, Ravindra
It happens.
happens. You are forgetting this. Now that see, Takara plus Repa plus Ekara, then only Nakara plus Apadanta Nakara. Repa is intervened by A, which is at the letter, permissible. Therefore happens. Okay, Ravindra. Okay. Kidrishena
Putram kriyata.
Putram
Grihata.
Grinnata.
Grunata.
Grinata.
Grinnantaha, Grinnataha, Grinnadhyam, Grinnadbihi. Putram Grinnata Ravindrena, Yanam Arugyate. Climbing is done by the Ravi, who is carrying the kid. Carrying the kid, and who is carrying the kid, climb the vehicle was done by Ravindra. Okay, that's the translation, proper translation. Now, Lekakaha Prashastim Prapnuvan. Gata Dinani Smarati. What is Prashastim?
Praise.
Praise.
How do you know it is praise? Because Shas is there. Praise. Right? Shas means Shams Tatu, Shams praise. So Prashastihi
Shamshati.
Prapnuvan. Gata Dinani, past days he forgot. Right?
Remember.
Sorry, Shamita, remember. Smarati will become
Maryate.
Mariante. Why?
Dinani.
Dinani. Gata Dinani, past days are remembered. By whom?
Lekakena.
Lekhakena.
Lekakena. Kidrishena Lekakena.
Prashastim
Prapnuvata Lekakena. What Prapnuvata? Prashastim.
Prashastim prapnuvata.
Prashastim Vata lekakena gata
Lekakena.
dinani smaryante.
Smaryante.
Past days were are not bad, are remembered. Where remembered means when asmar yanta
Asmaryanta.
lang lakara. Shikshakaha uttaram dadat. See now dadat. Dadat is why dadat, why now, why dadat, why not dadan?
No nakara
Third
for
one.
third group, Guruji.
No numakama. Third conjugation. So what is the meaning?
The teacher giving the answer leaves the class.
Yes, exactly. Kakshyataha means
From the
From the
class.
class.
it is tasil pratyaya is equal to
Away from.
kakshayaha ityartha.
Kakshayaha.
We can always use with, suppose you say vidyalayat. Let's say vidyalayatah. Ramatah. You can simply say that's abhaya. You cannot say for all. That is only in Panchami Vibhakti. It cannot be declined. Okay, it is tasil pratyaya. It is only in Panchami Artha. Saditascha sarva vibhaktihi avyayam. Sutram is there. Kakshyata, that will remain as it is. Okay. Panchami Arthe. That will not do any change. From the class, that's the meaning. Kakshayaha ityartha. Now, gacchati will become,
Gamyate. Gamyate.
because karma, not there.
No karma.
Kakshyataha gamyate. Uttaram, kena gamyate.
Shakena.
Shikshakena.
Kidrishaha shikshaka,
Uttaram
kidrishena.
Yachata.
Uttaram,
Uttaram yachata.
dadata you can say. Why not?
Dadata.
Dadat is there and therefore dadata. Yachata also it's okay. But here it is there. Uttaram dadata shikshakena kakshyataha gamyate. Leaving the class is done by the teacher answering the question. Answering the question. Leaving the class is done by the teacher. Saha dandanayakad bibhyat pratigacchati. Okay, what is the meaning? Dandanayaka, who is Dandanayaka?
Afraid of the Dandanayaka.
Police. You can say police, Dandanayaka. Or
Okay, police.
Danda is Danda. Nayaka is hero. So Dandanayaka is the one who
Carries a danda.
or what do you call it? The Dandanayaka is rowdy also you can say. Yeah? The hero. Rowdy, ruffian. So that could also be possible. Anyway,
Goes
because
away.
they also Nayaka only. Police also carry Danda. Okay, whoever it may be. Now, pratigacchati, saha pratigacchati becomes
Gatyati.
Gamyate.
Gamyate. Kena, tena.
Tena.
Kidrishaha saha
Vipyata. Tena.
bibyata. Bibyata. Dandanayaka bibyata tena. Pratigamyate. Pratigamyate means
Pratigamyate.
return.
Goes away.
Goes away. Return. That is. Yeah. Goes away. Te rajjum badnantaha gayanti meaning
Tying the string, they sing.
they sing. Okay. Gayanti becomes
Giyate.
Giyate.
giyate. Gaidatu becomes giyate. And
Tena.
kaihi.
Taihi. Not
Taihi.
tena is plural.
Taihi. Taihi giyate. Kidrishaihi taihi.
Rajum Batnatai.
Badnadbihi. Badnadbihi.
Nadbihi.
Badnanto badnantaha. Badnantam badnanto badnataha. Badnata badnadvyam badnadbihi. Badnadbihi rajum badnadbihi taihi giyate.
Giyate.
Right? Nayakaha mitrasya kashtam janantaha sahayam kurvanti. What is the translation?
Heroes
Kriyate.
knowing the difficulties of friends help.
Helps.
Helps. Okay. The Nayakaha help. The good people, Nayakaha, heroes, whatever it is. So, kurvanti,
Kriyate.
kriyate. What kriyate? Who is the karta?
Nayakaha kriyate.
No. Who is the karta? Sorry, okay. It's karmani prayaha. What is the karma?
Sahayam.
Kriyate. Huh? Sahayam. Sahayaha kriyate. To put in Prathama, in karma, right?
Sahayah
That's it.
kriyate.
Tat sahayah kriyate. Kaihi
Nayakena.
Nayakaihi.
nayakaihi. Kidrishaihi nayakaihi.
Janatbihi nayakaihi.
Janadbihi nayakaihi.
Mitrasya kashtam
Kashtam
janatbihi.
janadbihi. Kasya kashtam mitrasya kashtam. That will
Mitrasya.
remain as it is, right?
Hmm.
Shashti Vyakti, it is connected to Kashta. That will not change.
Hmm.
Shishyavaha mataram smarantaha rudantaha santi. What is the meaning? Remembering?
The mother, children
Mother.
are crying.
Okay. Santi will come
Bhuyate.
bhuyate because ruddhatu, I mean, here there is no karma, therefore bhuyate, right? And all these things put it before. That Shishyavaha will become
Shishubhihi.
Shishubhihi. This is Bhavya Priyoga. Shishubhihi bhuyate. And rudantaha,
Rudanta.
Rudadbhihi.
not there is
Smaranta.
no nakara. Ruddata.
Rudadbhihi.
Rudata
Rudadbihi.
smarata.
Rudadbihi. Mataram smarantaha rudantaha santi. Oh, okay. Two shatrantas are there.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Shishavaha rudantaha santi. Shishubhihi rudadbihi bhuyate. I'm just making as it is here. Okay. Kidrishagi shishubhihi mataram
Smarat.
smaradbihi. Shishubhihi rudadbihi bhuyate. Okay. Listen.
Hmm.
Lot of translations are there. Te प्रतिवर्षं जन्म दिनोत्सवे रुग्णेभ्यः फलं ददतः सन्ति. Meaning?
Excuse me, Guruji. In the
Hmm.
previous one, Mataram, does it change its
Why you should change?
Yes.
Mataram is the karma for smaran. No? It's not for, it's the karma for smarana kriya. Therefore, why should change? You ask question, you get the answer. Okay. K Santi. I'm asking here. K Santi, answer.
Shishavaha Santi?
Shishavaha Santi. Kidrishaha Shishavaha.
Mataram Rudantam?
Rudantaha
Smarantaha.
Shishavaha Santi. One
Rudantaha
Visheshanam.
Shishavaha Santi. Yeah.
One more Visheshanam. Kidrishaha Shishavaha.
Mataram smarantaha.
Smarantaha Shishavaha. Kam Smaranta, sorry, Kam Smarantaha Shishavaha. Mataram
Mataram
Smarantaha.
Mataram.
How that will change? Matra, Mata is a karma for Smr,
Okay.
not the karma for Rudan. Rudan is crying. Can it take karma? Huh? It's a Bhavya Preva only. How can you
Yeah.
this?
Okay.
Te Prativarsham Janma Janotsave. Okay, what is the translation?
They everywhere give fruits to the sick on their birthday.
Janma Janotsave, that will remain as it is. Kriya Padam,
Dadataha
Bhuyate.
Bhuyate only.
sankriyate.
Because karma, what is karma here? We can make it Pratama. Karma is there? Yes, is there. What is the karma?
Phalam.
Not Palam. Karma is not there. Okay. You have to say karma is not there. Prativarsham is Avyaya. Varsham Prati Avyaya. Chinotsave Saptami. That will not undergo any change. Prativarsham.
Phalam dadat.
What is Te become? Taihi.
Taihi.
Dadadbihi.
Dadadbihi.
Kim Dadadbihi? Palam.
Phalam.
Dadadbihi.
Palam will remain as it is. Rugnebhyaha, that also will remain. Rugnebhyaha, that is the karma, sampradana for dadatu. Palam is the karma for dadatu. So Rugnebhyaha palam dadadbihi taihi, the sentence. Prativarsham, janma, Prativarsham, you can put it here before. Anyway, you can put it, it's not a problem. Bhuyate, taiki bhuyate. Okay. Next one. Janaha Vartaha Shunvantaha Harshodgaram Kurvanti. What is the meaning?
While listening the news, people make
Noise. They are happy.
noise. Yeah.
Happy.
Happily.
Yeah.
India won the match. They make fun. No? So Harshodgaram. Kurvanti,
Kriyate.
kriyate. Karma is Arshodgaram.
Ashotkaram.
Now you have to find out Arshodgaram, what linga. I don't know what linga is.
Udgara.
So Udgara is maybe pullinga also.
Hmm.
Udgaraha kriyate we can take.
Hmm.
Okay. Lowering, right? Udgaraha.
Hmm.
Arsha plus Udgaraha, it's a compound.
Hmm.
Arsha Udgara,
Janaihi.
Arshasya Udgaraha. Kriyate. Arshodgara kriyate. Kaihi,
Janaihi.
Janaihi.
Idrishaihi, Janaihi.
Janaihi.
Shrunvadbihi.
Janaihi.
Shrunvadbihi.
Vartaha, what Vachanam, what Purusha? Sorry, what Vibhakti?
Prathama.
Tam Shrunvadbihi.
Pratama. How can be Pratama?
Karma no Varta.
Vartaha,
Vartaha.
Ramarame, Ramaha,
Ramam.
Ramam
It is
Rame,
first-
Ramaha.
Damaha.
Damaha.
Ditya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Okay, so karma for Shavana Kriya. Form looks same. Don't think it is Pratama.
Okay.
If you say
Okay.
Pratama, you have to answer them. How it is Pratama? You cannot do it. Vartaha Shunvadbihi. Vartam Shunvadbihi, Ekavachanam. Vartaha Bhagavachanam. Janaihi Ashwadgaraha created.
Kriyate.
Andaha Vittim Grannantaha Sopanani Aroganti means blind
The
people
blind catch the ball and climb the steps.
climb the steps. So Aroganti,
Aruyate.
Arugyate,
Narushyate.
Urudyante, because Sopa Nani steps Bhagavachanam.
Sopanani rushyante.
So Kaihi,
Andhaihi.
Undaihi.
Andaihi, Idrishaihi,
Grunatbihi.
Kam Grannadbihi.
Vittim Grunat.
Bittim.
Vitti is Trilinga. Vitti is wall. Vittim Grannadbihi Andaihi Sopanani Arukyante. Climbs, steps are climbed up by the blind people holding the wall. Karyakartaraha Karyam Kurvantaha Geetam Gayanti. Meaning,
Gayanti.
Gayanti.
Giyat. I mean,
meaning?
workers
While
while
doing
working
work,
are singing.
so Gayanti,
Giyate.
Giyate. Karma is Geetam. Pratama Vyakti Ekavacham. Geetam Giyate. Kaihi,
Karyakartra.
Kartaraha.
Kartaraha.
Therefore, Kartrabhihi, Bhagavacham.
Kurvatbihi. Karyam Kurvatbihi. Kartrubhihi.
Karyam Kurvadbihi.
Kartrubhihi.
Karyakartrabhihi. Kartra Shabda, you know, Karta, Kartra Kartrabyam,
Kartrubhihi.
Kartrabyam, Kartrabhihi. Karyakartrabhihi. Kauravaha Janantaha api adharmam acharanti. What is the meaning? Simple.
Knowing
Kauravaha.
fully the Kauravas followed adharma.
Yes. So acharanti,
Acharyate.
Charyate.
acharyate. Karma is
Adharmam.
adharmaha.
Adharma.
Adharma is pulling.
Okay.
Kidrishehi,
Kauravahi.
Kauravaihi.
Janatbihi. Kauravaihi.
Yes.
Janadbihi.
Janadbihi Kauravaihi adharmaha acharyate. Balaha sarpat vibyataha dhavanti. What is the meaning?
Boys ran scared of the snake.
Vibyataha. So dhavanti,
Abhyate.
Dhavyate.
dhavyate, balaha, and balaihi. Not balaha. Balaihi. dhavyate.
Balaihi.
Vibyatbihi.
Vibhyadbihi.
Vibyatbihi. Vibyat is also why known nakara there. Vibyat, vibyata, vibyataha. Why? Third gana.
Mhm.
Sarpad, what karaka is that?
Sapada.
Apadana. That from which you are afraid of. That also will be Panchami. Sarpad vibyatbihi balaihi. Chatraha rudantaha patam likanti. Translation?
People are writing while writing the lesson while crying.
Crying, they write. Okay.
While crying.
While crying, they write the lessons.
Hmm.
And Likhanti,
Likhyate.
Likhyate.
Likhyate. Likhyate. What Likhyate?
Hmm.
Pataha Likhyate.
Pataha.
Kaihi.
Chatraihi rudadbihi.
Can
Chatraihi.
take by Pullinga by default, therefore Chatraihi. Otherwise, Strilinga will be Chatra, right?
Hmm.
Not possible. Why? Because Rudantaha is Pullinga. Therefore, not possible.
Yeah.
Huh?
Rudadbihi.
Otherwise, because Strilinga means the form would be
Hmm.
what?
Rudanti.
Here, what will form? If it is Chatra is Strilinga, Rudanta cannot be Rudantaha. Then it would be
Rudati.
huh?
Rundati. No,
What will be the form then?
Rudanti, no? Rudanti hi Chatraha.
It is Rudanti, Rudantyau, Rudantyaha. So
Rudanti.
Rudantyaha it will be. Okay.
Rudantyah.
These are
Mhm.
the- So here Rudantaha, therefore it is Pullinga only.
Pulling.
Okay. So for Rudadbihi, we will see Srilinga. Then we will.
Yeah.
We are not yet seen. We are not yet started that. Now pulling a lot of examples. Other will do it. All these are Pratama Vibhakti only. I started Karmani so that you can see the usage, the Tritiya Vibhakti usage also. Therefore, you can see Shatranta in Tritiya. If it is, if you use, then it will be most probably Karmani. Maybe, not most probably actually. Bhaktaha Japam Kurvantaha Anandam
Anubhavanti.
So therefore here, Anu
Yate.
Bhuyate. What?
Anupuyate.
Anandaha.
Anandaha.
Taihi.
Bhaktaihi.
Bhaktaihi.
Taihi.
Bhaktaihi.
Japati. And Kurvatihi. Japam
Japam
Kurvatihi.
Kurvati.
Kurvadbihi.
Bhaktaihi Anandaha Anubhuyate. Okay. Then you will stop here. 41, we have to do it in next class.
Okay, Guruji.
Remind me, which is sentence
Yes,
41.
Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Dhanyavad Guruji.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుజీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుజీ.